My name is Abby Lasnicki. I graduated from Morrisville in 2014. Technically my major was floral design, but I took a lot of greenhouse management classes.
Susan Lasnicki. I graduated in 1983. I had an associate's degree in business administration and in accounting. My dad owned a small business, and I knew that I wanted to go to school to learn a little bit more about business and accounting.
I tried 2 or 3 different majors before I settled in, and I loved gardening with my grandmother, so it was one of those things where I'll give it a try, and after my first class, I never looked back.
I had no idea what type of business that I wanted to do. I just wanted to work for myself because I saw that my family had done that growing up. My husband, he started a landscaping business. He was also a Morrisville graduate. When my son graduated from high school, he wasn't sure he wanted to go to college. He just figured he was going to work with a family business. And my husband and I both encouraged him to go just because of the connections that you make in school. You know, we had been out of school for 25 years. You know, go and learn and then come back. Not only did he bring back different ways to look at things from a business perspective, but a lot of different relationships and that he built while he was here.
I met my now husband through Morrisville, and so I kind of had an in with Lasnicki Landscaping and Nursery. So the first summer between my 2 years at Morrisville, I decided to take the job to give it a try and see if I really liked being in the field. With a small family business, it's not just going to a job every day. You want the best for the company, and especially when it's family owned, you really see the ins and outs of the business.
An advantage to us to hire a Morrisville graduate is that I feel they get better and better with, preparing students for the real world.
If you hate the idea of sitting in an office and you love the outdoors and you're willing to get your hands dirty, especially with the cannabis production becoming huge, it's a great place to be right now.